Well, I think the sustainability of our plant science industry depends upon the survival and economic well-being of our farmers. You're not going to have a healthy, vibrant seed industry or ag products industry or even a research sector unless the farmer is making a good living, sees that the investments that he or she makes in farming gives a good return. So we need to, I think, as a society and as an industry, and our public sector research, I see it as part of the overall rice global economy or rice industry. We have to ask very careful questions about what are the farmers facing, what is constraining their ability to improve their lot, and that could be a rice farmer in Arkansas, that could be a rice farmer in Bangladesh. Okay, what are they confronting? What are the interventions that can improve their livelihoods? And the only way that farming is going to be sustainable is if a farmer can make a decent living, can have the land go from one generation to the next in as good a condition as they've received it, or probably preferably better. So our role should be to have a broad diagnosis of the farming circumstance, if you would, and then ask what sort of research intervention is required to improve that circumstance, and then how the products of that research can feed into the industry so that can arrive to the farmer or to the farm in a way that a farmer can understand it and can use it and can benefit from it. So I think that's to a large extent what's facing it. When I started at Erie as Director General, the International Rice Research Institute, I asked our staff to work through a series of questions, and it was a hierarchical process, and it was, okay, what are the great challenges facing society? And within those challenges facing society, which are falling within the agricultural domain? And then within that agricultural domain, where does rice play a critical role? And in the area where rice plays a critical role, what areas are researchable? A scientific answer would help address that area. And within that researchable area, where does the International Rice Research Institute have a unique opportunity to offer something? And so I think when we look at that, is a way of framing questions around the sustainability of agriculture, around sustainability of the agribusiness, if you would, and the farm sector.